So it's that one there, just peeking its head. Hey everyone, how's it going? So today we're heading back to West Sikkim. We just stopped here because we're pretty sure behind us is the third highest peak in the world. Now I don't know the name of it, but I'll find that out. And yeah, pretty sure it is, so I'll give you a quick look. Definitely the highest peak we can see. If it's not the third highest in the world, it's still pretty damn impressive. We've just passed the Ravang La. Today we're getting a bit further west, hopefully go see some waterfalls, a little town, and we'll stay tonight in Pelling. We're on this main road for another 20 or so Ks. Then we'll be cutting off into the back roads of West Sikkim again, so should be some spectacular views and spectacular riding again today. Rightio, so the back road has got pretty hectic pretty quickly, so we're just sort of doing a bit of a walk ahead to check the feasibility. Whew. Alright, so went for a bit of a look. We might be able to get the bikes down there, but as we've got no idea what the road is like, if we had to turn around and come back, I think we'd have a real struggle getting them back up some of these hairpins and some of these hills here. So for the sake of being able to actually go and see a few things today, rather than spend half a day dragging bikes up hills or down hills or whatever, we're just going to head to Pelling, grab a hotel, dump our stuff, and then there's another route we can use to get to the waterfalls. Yeah, we'll head back to that nice smooth road. We're cruising along and spotted the Tikjuk viewpoint. Thought we'd better come and check it out, and I'm very glad we did. Have a look at this. So that's the road we've been coming up. We've just been cruising through all these little villages. It's really densely forested, there's gardens, flowers. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Alright, a few minutes down the road from the viewpoint and we're here at Pelling. I'm just gonna check in here, Hotel Garuda. Looks pretty cool, got a view of the mountains, so we'll go and dump our bags, grab a bite to eat, and then go for a bit of an explore. So we're on our way to Gangtok Lake. I think that's how it's pronounced. We just had to stop here to check this out. This whole hillside opposite me is just covered
in rice paddies and little houses, and yeah, just a little settlement. So so we've run out of road. Just gonna leave the bikes parked here, walk up to the lake, but you might be able to see behind me a whole bunch of prayer flags. There's some sort of monastery here. Looks pretty amazing. You can hear the monks praying. Yeah, so wow, that was quite something. Very tranquil and serene. The chanting of the monks and the quietness of the lake, and just the stillness, apart from the feeding frenzy of the fish at the start there, but it was just, yeah, I feel relaxed. It's definitely a peaceful place.